Hi there, let's take a look at the word dan in Dutch. What does it mean and how can you use it? Well, let's start with a few examples. We gaan dan naar school. We're going to school then. And you know, when you're English speaking, you would write it with an E, not with an A, right? We're going then to school. But let's take a look at another example. Dat is meer dan genoeg. That's more than enough. And there in English you would write it with an A. So, can you use dan both for then with an E and then with an A? Well, yes. And this is one of the rare things that are easier in Dutch than in English. So that's actually why Dutch-speaking people sometimes have difficulties choosing between then with an E and with an A. Can you use both in the same sentence? Of course. Dan ben je beter dan ik. Then you're better than I. And then, well, dan is twice with an A, but in Dutch, but not in English. All right. Dan is also an American name, I think, or a name for English-speaking countries. That's D with a capital, of course. Then we're going to use dan as well, but then with a capital. There is one little, thing to remember about dan. In this case here, is niets beter dan dat. There's nothing better except that or but that, and in some cases you can use but or except in this kind of construction. When you're using a comparative, is niets beter, that's a comparative, dan dat, then you're going to use a dan, and you shouldn't use a maar or behalve, which you would use in English, but or except. Alright, this question was asked by Danny. Feel free to ask any other questions, and who knows, it will be the topic of the next video. Tot ziens!